Instagram just launched Edits, its new video editing app. If you're using CapCut or if Reels are a huge part of your strategy, this is something you're gonna wanna hear. Because yes, it's coming strong.
Oh, Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
This app, it's free, it's watermark free, and it's connected directly to your Instagram account. I would say it's honestly built for creators like you. People who want results without losing their minds or their time editing. So the first question is Edits worth trying? If you already use CapCut or you're looking for a fastest way to edit your content on your phone or desktop, stick around. Because I honestly think this app could save you time, steps, and yes, even money. Edits lets you do everything in one place. Edit, add music, generate subtitles, and my favorite one, even track how your content is performing within the app. It includes real-time analytics so you can understand what's working and make new creative decisions backed by your data. Let's go ahead and dive in so you can take a walkthrough of Edits. First things first, how does Edit actually look like? Edits is available for Apple and Android. The only thing you gotta do is download it, log in with your Instagram account, and you're in. When you open the app, you're gonna find a clean and intuitive interface. At the bottom, there are 5 tabs. You're gonna see ideas when you can save inspiration or outline your content. Then you're gonna find inspiration, which is pretty much like the Reels tab on Instagram. And this is where you're gonna find literally inspiration for your videos. Then you're gonna see projects, which is where all of your content that you're gonna edit on Edits will live. Then you're gonna see the camera for shooting live. And lastly, you're gonna see Insights, where you can check how your posts are performing. The last one, Insights, is key. Without ever leaving the app, you can see what's working, what's not, and what you can tweak for future content pieces. Let's be honest, you don't get that in CapCut. Now let's get hands-on. How can you start a project? In the Projects tab, you're gonna click the plus sign to start a new edit. You can choose clips, photos, or any assets from your gallery, and then you're gonna drop them all into the editor. It's quick, smooth, and easy. Here's where it gets interesting. The editing timeline. Edits uses a layer-based timeline. If you've ever used Premiere, Final Cut, or even CapCut, it's gonna feel familiar. But the difference is that Edits offers it in a way more user-friendly way. Each element will live on its own layer. You're gonna have text, then audio, then content, which will be your images, videos, or assets, even effects. In here, you can move things around, split clips, stack content, all without digging through clunky menus. Now, let's talk about the features that make Edits stand out. Starting with one of my favorites, which is green screen. You don't need a physical backdrop or any extra tools like TikTok. Edits detects your background and it can remove it with a single click. That means you can record yourself and place anything, and I mean anything, behind you. Or you can choose any backdrop and then record over it. A website, an image, a chart, a video. This is honestly perfect for tutorials, reactions, or explainers that need a more dynamic and professional look. Next up is music, and my oh my, did we need this. Edits is fully connected to your Instagram account, as I mentioned before. So that means that when you open the audio search, you'll find 3 super useful sections. You're gonna find the music that is trending right now. Then you're gonna find the music that you've saved on Reels before. And you're also gonna find song suggestions based on your algorithm. And all of these you can find inside the app. So that means no more digging through Instagram or through TikTok or downloading random files in order to have that perfect or trending audio. If you're recording content where you speak to the camera, you're gonna love this one. Edits will listen to your audio and automatically generate subtitles from it. The good thing is that you can edit them word by word, change the font, add subtle animations to it, and the most important part, make sure that your message gets across to everyone, even if someone is watching it with sound off, which, spoiler, most people do. Edits also has AI-powered tools. You can actually animate static images with just one click. And you can also isolate objects in your clicks. That means no extra software, no extra frustration, just more flexibility to create a more dynamic and pro-looking content. So after talking about my favorite features so far, once you're done editing, you can go ahead and click export and then you publish. You can also choose your video quality, HD, 2K, 4K, and then you can save it. You can even post to Instagram from inside the app. So it's literally 3 steps: record, edit, and publish. No switching between platforms, not many extra steps, which is something that I truly love about edits. Let's go back to one of the features that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, which is the insights section. Edits includes built-in insights that shows you in real time how your content is performing, which posts are getting the most traction, what formats are connecting best with your audience, what should you try next. It's like having a creative dashboard within your editing platform. Quiet, but seriously powerful. So, is edits the real deal? I would say that you have to go with edits if you want to edit straight from your phone. Instagram is your main platform for creating and posting content. You need a quick fix for a daily video. And if you like having everything in one place, which is why I love the analytics side that edits offer. More professional platforms like Premiere or CapCut are better for you if you're going into a more advanced pro level editing. You need stronger visual effects or tools. You're super comfortable and prefer working at a desktop. And if you create content across multiple platforms. But honestly, the final decision is up to you. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with tools like this, discover what's new before everyone else, I would highly recommend that you subscribe to our newsletter. I will leave the link in the description. And guess what? Edits is just one of the new features that Instagram got out this 2025. If you're curious about the rest of them, I'll leave them in this video for you to check out. See you in the next one, Metricooler. Bye.